We are honored by the
Government is firm on bringing judicial reforms in the country to boost the economic growth. This statement was made by the Union Law Minister Sadananda Gowda. Addressing the gathering during National Conference on Strengthening Economy through Judicial Reforms organized by ASSOCHAM, Gowda said that he is all set to place legislation bill on establishing commercial appellate tribunals in the Parliament during the coming budget session. He said such tribunals will resolve various commercial disputes which have become hurdles in the growth of late. He also said that a matter of national litigation policy will be discussed in the cabinet for its approval.
Practically, we had a detailed discussion as far as the establishment of commercial benches in the high courts, in the cabinet also, and our Honorable Prime Minister has already directed me to bring out this legislation at the earliest. I hope that already the Law Commissioner has given his report to me. I am trying to place this bill in the coming sessions. Already a draft national litigation policy is before me. Only thing is I have to take it before the cabinet and I take the approval of the cabinet. I hope that within a fortnight I will be able to take this matter before the cabinet and I will take up this issue. And national litigation policy will bring several reforms in judicial system.
Gowda said that government is looking into the recommendations made by Law Commission to bring reforms in the judicial system. He said government is trying to take certain firm steps in the matter related to the arbitration.
Time limit, arbiters are taking so much of time, and even afterwards the judicial courts are interfering and delaying the matters, and fee structures unnecessary, these are being delayed for purpose of fees and all that. So we have brought some stringent measures to see that it should be. Even commercial disputes, this should be resolved early. Then only these investors, they will come and invest in our country. Otherwise, they feel that whenever there is a small dispute, their total investment will be under stake.
Various industry leaders and Justice Mukul Mudgal also participated in the conference. Justice Mudgal said that there are various issues related to Indian judiciary that have to be addressed.
And I would like to see that we increase our judge strength. Not that increasing the judge strength is the only solution. The judges also have to dispose of matters expeditiously. District court level also judges have to be increased.
Chief Guest Sadananda Gowda during the conference also released a publication by Law Senate which highlighted the aspects related to the Indian judiciary that have to be addressed as they are becoming barriers in the development of Indian economy. Indian economy is in the face of a revival, but for a stronger and a faster growth, judicial reforms play a key role. The industry leaders who participated in the National Conference on Strengthening Economy through Judicial Reforms have highlighted various issues that have to be resolved and also spoke about various challenges. Also, the Chief Guest, Union Law Minister Sadananda Gowda, assured the industry leaders that the government's priority is bringing in judicial reforms and strengthening the Indian economy. With camera person Nair, this is Venkatraman reporting for DD News from New Delhi.